few minutes of your time and I will show you 3 different ways you can make a delicious bread sausage roll and then add it into your baking repertoire. Oh yeah! Still in this tutorial, you will be able to learn certain challenges you might face during the oven baking of your bread sausage roll and also offer solutions as an antidote towards these problems. I'm sure you'll like this, either as a beginner or a professional. Just take a pill and learn. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from sallupaste and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. For this recipe, we're going to be using 250 grams of flour, or you can call it 2 cups of flour. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Using a granulated sugar, you can use brown sugar, icing sugar, or any sugar of your choice, please. So I'm adding half cup of milk. This ingredient is optional, but you can add more or less. Then add a teaspoon of salt, 62.5 grams of margarine, or you can call it a quarter sachet of margarine. Over here is the yeast, and I would be adding a half tablespoon of yeast, just like so. Please avoid exposing your yeast to the air for a longer period of time to avoid deactivation. So I'll give it a quick combined mixing with my spatula, and later I go with my hand. So mix and mix until all ingredients are well combined with a breadcrumb-like texture. So what I did here is I broke and whisked 1 egg off camera, and I'm adding half of it now, and the rest will be used later. So I'll give it a quick mix and then add my water. Please be careful not to add too much of the water. This recipe requires just little water. So I will mix them to combine. Actually, my objective for this mixing is to obtain a dough that is not too hard nor too soft. You know what I mean. So at this juncture, I'll go ahead and transfer to my table and give it a knead or a quick massage until a smooth feel to my pan. You can also use a rolling pin or any smooth object around you to do this, such as bottle and coal. So once you are done with the soft kneading, simply allow to rest in an air-proofed environment. After the first 45 minutes, you will notice an increase in size. Simply give it a quick massage or knead and allow to rise for the second time. This rising process helps you to achieve a bread-like texture of a sausage bread roll. So while it is rising, let's prepare our sausage. Now I'm gonna drizzle some oil into my empty pan and then allow to heat up. Now the preparation is simple. Drop your sausage into the oil and allow to fry. Here my aim is to fry it until I obtain a little bit crispy texture on the outer crust and some brown coloration. Yes, I think this is exactly what we want. Yes, you can scoop it. My goodness, this is nice. Now the dough has risen again for another 30 minutes. Now at this point, the dough is so soft because the yeast has acted on the sugar content of the dough and releases carbon dioxide and alcohol. So I'm gonna divide this dough into 5 different equal parts as we go. On the dough one after the other. Now pay attention at this point because I'm gonna be showing you 3 different ways you can wrap your sausage, and if you've been deriving value from this video, please give us a thumbs up right now. So after expanding your dough through this rolling method, then add your sausage and roll. I love this method so much because it's just as simple as ABCD. So let's look at the second method. So for this method, I'm gonna roll the dough into a flat shape just like so. Then I'll trim off the excess parts and then retain the useful part. I'll then add my sausage and quickly roll just like this. For the last part, just make incision can be straight like this or it can be slanted like this. Place the sausage at the middle and then begin to plate. Rolling over each of the dough handle to the other side. So at this point, I will egg wash with the egg reserved I made earlier. See, some of the dough is beginning to lose shape because of the effect of the yeast. So I'll quickly send them to the oven and bake at medium heat. Now the sausage is ready, and if you watch closely, you will discover that I have to raise the sausage with a rack. Yeah, well, I have to do this because the sausage was already burning because of direct contact with the pan. Yes, so I have to raise it up to avoid the burning. So please don't make this mistake. Although our sausage is still nice, it's still looking good. I hope you have learned a lot of things. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not done so. Follow us. All our social media handle are sallupaste kitchen. Don't forget to visit us at sallupastefoodblog.com because a lot of good things is happening there. Wow, this is yummylicious. Bye, see you.